Hi, everybody. Thanks for popping in to see what I've been up to, and I really appreciate you coming in to hang out with me for a few minutes. This is just going to be a really quick video. I got mail. I love getting mail, and I'm going to show you what I got. So, the first one is from Plowman's Backyard, and I'm going to leave links for all of these channels down in the description. So, you can be sure you'll be able to find them. But Plowman's Backyard are taking part in the Canadian Seed Swap 2022, and they saw my wish list and had some seeds that I wanted, or some seeds that I was looking for. So they sent me a lipstick pepper, which I've never heard of, but I'm excited to grow. It's going to be the only pepper I grow other than the Cosmic Cultivator peppers. And then a black crim tomato, which if you haven't tried the black crim, they are super, super tasty. So thank you so much, Plowman's Backyard, for sending me those wonderful seeds. The next one I have is from Cindy Squirrel. I'm not going to show you. Well, maybe I'll try. Cindy Squirrel. She's in Ontario. Her channel is Cindy Squirrel Off Grid, and again, I'm going to leave a link to all of these down in the bottom. And she has sent me, let's see, I hope these seeds do well for you. I also sent you my channel sticker that my granddaughter drew for me. Happy Gardening from Cindy. So that is fantastic. Oh my gosh, that sticker is adorable. Check that out, guys. Cindy Squirrel. I love it. I love it. And I am going to start a sticker board because I'm getting quite a collection of stickers. And so I think I'm going to need to. Oh, this is awesome. She sent me chamomile seeds. This is wonderful. They're really, really tiny, but I'm really wanting to grow more of my own herbs, especially medicinal and or healing or whatever herbs that have some kind of a purpose other than just tasting good. And chamomile is one of those that's really good to help you sleep and tastes really good. So I've been wanting to grow some. Yay! Thank you, Cindy. That is fabulous. Put that there. Next is from Red Road Homestead. And she has sent me a card. Thank you, card. Thank you so much. And she sent me a copy of her sticker, which I knew that she was going to. Check that out. So I designed that for her. And she says, Dear Lorrie, God bless you for helping this old girl out. You're my angel. And of course, you all make me laugh a lot. Which we're thankful for because we love laughter. But look at what a beautiful sticker that is. That just looks fabulous, I think. If I do say so myself, even though I did design it. So let's set that there. Again, I'm going to have to start a sticker board because I don't have one yet. And I have a bunch of stickers that I've got sitting around. And now this last one is from, I don't want to show anything important. Will it grow? I'm pretty sure it's my seeds from being part of SHEDWARS 21. Yeah, it is. Let's pull them out and see what I got. It looks like there's a little card in there too. I'm so excited. Thank you for the great work and participation in the 2021 SHEDWARS Gardening Collaboration. Please accept these seeds as a small gift. Best regards, John and Robert. So that's pretty fabulous. And then I don't know, I know a lot of you have already gotten your seeds. So you already know the fabulous packaging that Will It Grow actually made for these seeds. So I have an Italian Roma tomato. Oh, this is a sticker. Oh, the green is disappearing because of my green screen. Shed Warrior, level 1. And you can see it says Shed Wars on the bottom, and it has pictures of veggies and stuff. That's going to go with that. Some romaine. Oh, interesting. Look at those seeds. They're coated. So that usually means there's more than one inside there. Well, sometimes it means that. Romaine lettuce. Oh, yay! Bodacious sweet corn. I am going to grow corn this year. Oh, fabulous. A Will It Grow sticker for my growing sticker board, which is growing very quickly. What else do we got here? Ooh, a hot Portugal pepper. Yum. And what else? Oh, Ronde Danisi. Zucchini. No. It looks kind of like eggplant there, but it'll show the cement through it. Too funny. Anyway, zucchini and David Davidson's tomato, which I've not heard of, but it looks delicious. So, yay! That is fabulous, Will. And John, you did a wonderful job making all of this packaging. This is just stunning. And I love that he has the instructions on the back for how to start the seeds. And all that has my team name on it, Team Aquarius, with a little thank you from Robert. So that is sweet. So that's it for my mail call, and that's it for my video today. And again, I really appreciate you. And oh my gosh, I can't believe I have 1,200 subscribers. But you know what? I love every one of you as much as I did when I had 8 subscribers. So it's just exciting for me that you're along on this journey with us. And I thank you for every minute that you come and hang out with me. I appreciate you every day. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.